Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures. In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with quadgraphs. Are you ready? Come, spell and learn with me. Repeat after me. Dough. D-O-U-G-H. Let's spell the word again. D-O-U-G-H. Dough. Let's read the sentence. Say, the baker needs the dough. The baker needs the dough. Wait. W-E-I-G-H-T. Let's spell that again. W-E-I-G-H-T. Wait. The words after me. Emma gained weight. Emma gained weight. Height. H-E-I-G-H-T. Let's spell the word again. H-E-I-G-H-T. Height. Let's read the sentence. Dad measures Lyra's height. Dad measures Lyra's height. Freight. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Let's spell the word one more time. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Freight. Read the words after me. The ship carries a lot of freight. The ship carries a lot of freight. Naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Let's spell that again. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. Read the words after me. The kids in class are naughty. The kids in class are naughty. Sleigh. S-L-E-I-G-H. Let's spell that again. S-L-E-I-G-H. Sleigh. Read the words after me. Santa Claus rides on a sleigh. Santa Claus rides on a sleigh. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Let's spell that word again. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Let's read the sentence. Olive has a happy thought. Olive has a happy thought. Daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Let's spell the word again. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. Read the words after me. Mr. and Mrs. Lim has a daughter. Mr. and Mrs. Lim has a daughter. Neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R. Let's spell that again. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R. Neighbor. Let's read the sentence. Say, Pete and Sally are neighbors. Pete and Sally are neighbors. Great job, children! You did it! Continue to practice so you can improve your spelling and reading skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.